When I first started losing my hair, I could look at the genetics in my family and see the hair loss that they had, and I knew that's where I was headed. I had a hairpiece that was really thick and bulky looking, and that was before the onset of virtual reality. 4 years ago, I discovered virtual reality. I felt youthful. I felt more self-confident. I felt like I fit in with the rest of my peers. I felt like I had my hair back. I remember a friend of mine making the comment that I'm not wearing a hairpiece anymore. My hair must have grown back.
Well, Hollywood and its stars have been battling thinning hair for years, and now one of the secret weapons in the fight has arrived here in Houston.
And it's not only helping people improve their outer appearance, it's also helping some medical patients with their self-confidence and self-esteem. Health Check reporter Christy Myers shows us the hair system that's natural looking and disposable.
This is what Karen Sorensen looks like most of the time, but then she heard about disposable hair. Tom Magliaro says it's more lightweight than other hair pieces. Karen says her new look is liberating, and it's given her new confidence.
It helps me to feel like a woman.
When we work with hair like this and restore someone's dignity during a very difficult time, it is countless the benefit they get in their health.
Christy Myers, 13 Health Check.
Yeah, you're beautiful. Beautiful. Now, I saw you when you came in this morning. We have the before. There's the before. That's a real before. It's not like, they stretched a stocking over his head. That's the real picture. And now it looks great, right?
It does look good.
Absolutely.
How does it feel?
You can't feel it at all. And that's the whole thing about it. I don't feel it. I comb my hair back. I'm very active, sweat a lot.
Can you hop in the shower with it?
Hop in the shower, swim. There's really nothing I can't do. I'm actually more active now because I don't have the restrictions as far as hair getting wet and thinning. So I'm much more confident now doing a lot of things.
If you were standing in a hurricane, would it come off?
Man, that's the reporter.
Because we're thinking about if we need it.
We'll find out.
Looking good, looking good. We'll be right back.
Really great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Makes virtual reality unique is that it's undetectable. He says while we have 7 layers of skin,
it's an 8th layer with hair individually injected or placed into it by hand. One hair at a time, strand by strand. I'm more worried about the Suns incorporating Shaq into their lineup than I am about my hair at all. I don't even, they're so fine and they can match everything, my hair color, my texture, everything that I want matches, and it feels and it looks, and I have to actually prove that I'm wearing hair to somebody.
I don't have a problem telling people that I'm bald. I ran my fingers through the sides, and I can't even feel a lump or any kind of detection there at all. I mean, it's just amazing.
And I'm standing here looking over the top, and I would have no clue, John. I have no clue at all, buddy. I mean, this is sensational.
I can't toss that. It's amazing. I feel so much better. I'm real nervous about it, but gosh.
Wendy, you're used to seeing this.
I am. Absolutely.
It's tremendous.
Yeah, I miss one.
I mean, how can you not?
Tears, because I feel like it's really me.
All right, please welcome Marilyn to the show. Marilyn, thank you so much for being here. Marilyn Dodge, she's a mom. You're a grandma, correct?
Yes, I am a grandma four times.
4 times. You battled cancer yourself, correct?
I battled cancer and I won.
And you battled, and you also battled alopecia areata, correct?
Yes, I did. It became full-blown through my cancer treatment and after my cancer. And because I'm a survivor, like you're a survivor, but I have no hair, just like you, Donna. Now, I would never know that.
and guess what? Because Marilyn's here to offer you something. And what is that? Marilyn, tell her.
The company that I'm with, which is Virtual Reality, it is literally a cosmetic miracle. It gave me back the ability, like it's going to give to you, to look into a mirror and see yourself. The mirror was my enemy also. I only saw a shadow. And I know exactly what you're saying when you were telling the story. We are going to see to it that you walk out of here today with your own cosmetic miracle and hair.
Please welcome back the new Donna to the show! right there in the middle. Spin around a little bit. Now, you have been refusing to look in a mirror.
Oh, no,
now,
I just saw.
No, really? Okay, now take a look there, because look over here in this monitor, because, girlfriend, hey, that's you.
Now take one last look at the old Jody, and in less than an hour, he's a new man. It's just like another layer of skin. Look closely, you can tell it's real hair. Jody says his daughter will be the most excited.
She wants her dad to not be single anymore for anything that she thinks will increase those odds.
All right, well, if you think you only need to worry about hair loss if your mother's father is bald, or maybe you're a male, that's simply not true. Something that 50% of all women in the United States will deal with by the age of 50. And the reasons for hair loss span from genetics to pregnancy, illness, poor nutrition, and cancer treatment. And the treatments that you're probably familiar with are the pills, the topical solutions like the Rogaine, and surgery. But there's one more we want to tell you about this morning. Ginny Rapini is a salon owner who uses a very special treatment. It's called Virtuesse, and this is Marilyn Dodds, one of her clients. And this special treatment is promising women a red carpet look. So tell us, Marilyn, why you decided to go with Virtuesse versus all of those other options.
Because it gives me total ability to live my life the way I did before.
Oh, so even if you have partial baldness, or maybe you're going through cancer treatment like Marilyn here, this is something that's a good option for people. And why is it such a good option?
Well, most of the women that we see have only partial hair loss. Marilyn is our worst case scenario with total hair loss. But most women come in with a male balding pattern right up here on the crown of their head. And so we can do coverage here that is a fashion solution. It isn't just a cover-up solution.
Every aspect of a makeover is important, but your hair is an outfit you wear every day. Now, in order to feel completely like a brand new man, our makeover volunteer Al needs just one more thing.
This is Shannon. Shannon, this is Al.
Hi, Al. Nice to meet you. You ready for your new look?
I am.
Have a seat. I'm going to explain to you what I had in mind.
All right.
I was thinking I could cover your gray, give you a little bit of a short, spiky look, put little highlights in, kind of be a little trendy, and just have fun. You ready to have fun?
Great.
All right, good.
I can't wipe the smile off my face. Today is the inspirational and irrepressible April Ann Barberino.
Hi, my name is April Ann Barberino. I am a 6-time survivor of cancer, and I would love a makeover. When I first received my treatment, it was about 2 months after the actual surgery. The surgery was 6.5 hours, and I had to undergo 6 months of radiation and chemotherapy. Hair loss has really been a huge side effect that affected me, due to the fact that hair was always important to me. And I think especially in girls, it's so important and so dreadful when you know that you're going to be losing your hair. Help me, Movie and a Makeover.
The product that we're going to be using on you is human hair, and it gives us the option to give you anything that you wish to have.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Great. It sounds excellent.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
I want to make you one simple offer, risk-free. Visit your virtual reality concept studio and try virtual reality before you're required to purchase anything. Why should you settle for less than the very best, just like the stars have? You'll be amazed at your fabulous new look. What's more, once you're a virtual reality client, you'll have all the extras you've been missing, like service at any VR location worldwide, total professional maintenance, upgrades as we discover new and better technologies, and an expert staff that treats you as you should be treated. If you've been let down, come in and see what you can really look like. Everything else is extinct.